How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070157. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. In search type fix Windows Update. Select Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the Media Creation tool can help you upgrade your system to the latest version of Windows, bypassing the traditional update method. This can be useful if update errors prevent you from upgrading normally. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.